Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the very important topic of digital electronics. That is the BCD codes, access 3 codes and gray code. You know full form of BCD, that is the binary coded decimal. This is a very important code. So here I explain one by one. First of all, before BCD, I explain binary codes. You know, digital data is represented in the form of group of binary bits. These group of binary bits is called binary codes. What are the advantages of binary codes? So here I mention very few advantages of binary codes. First one is binary code is suitable for computer application. As you know, binary codes are used in computers. Second, binary codes are useful or suitable for digital communication also. With the help of binary codes, you easily analyze and design any digital circuit. As you know, in binary codes, we use only 0 and 1. So implementation is very easy with the help of binary codes of digital circuits. So next is BCD code. BCD is binary coded decimal. Name implies it is the coding of decimal. It is the coding of decimal into binary. So you know decimal number. Decimal radix is 10. Basic counting start from 0 and goes up to 9. So total basic digits in decimal number system are only 10, 0 to 9. So how many bits are required for representing this decimal number? So in last lecture we discussed this formula 2 raised to n is equal to number of possible digits. So here number of possible digits are 10 and n is the required bits for representing the decimal number into binary. So here n is near about 3 point something, but you know n is always integer quantity because n is the number of bits. Okay, so here n is equal to 4, nearly equal to 4. So we consider n equal to 4. Means for any BCD code representing in binary we required 4 bit. So always remember BCD represent always with 4 bit binary. Never 3 bit, never with 3 or never with 5 bits. Always represent with 4 bit binary number. Now next thing is if BCD represent with 4 bits, so how many possible combination? So we know 2 raised to 4 is 16. Means I want to represent BCD, so we require minimum 4 bits. We require 4 bits for BCD representation. But with the help of 4 bits, possible combination are 16. But BCD is the representation of decimal 0 to 9 only. Means only 10 possible combination. So with always remember in BCD 0 to 9 are the valid BCD, 10 to 15 are the invalid BCD. कैसे हुआ देखिए दोबारा समझ लीजिए. Total possible combination are 16, but out of these 16 combination you required only 10. You required only these 10 possible combination. Okay, so out of 16, 10 combination are the valid BCD and 6 are the invalid BCD. So here I mention 10 to 15 are the invalid and 0 to 9 are the valid BCD number. So always remember BCD represent with 4-bit binary. BCD valid BCD from 0 to 9, 10 to 15 are the invalid BCD. Advantages of BCD. So here I mention actually it is very similar to decimal system, or it is the coding of decimal into binary. So very easily we remember binary equivalent of decimal number. Disadvantages. So arithmetic is little bit complicated, like addition and subtraction. Some different tools are there in BCD. So that's why arithmetic is little bit tough. BCD needs more bit as compared to binary for representing any decimal number. So that's why BCD is less efficient as compared to binary. Next is weighted code. Name implies weighted code means write code according to its position or according to its weight factor. For example, here I take one example, one decimal number 24. I want to write this number according to weight factor or according to weighted code. So here I choose one of the weighted code, that is 8421. How this code is weighted code? So very simple logic. This code is right according to its weight factor. देखिए ध्यान से 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. This is the weight factor. So if I want to represent 2 in 8421 code, ध्यान से देखिए, in 8421 code अगर मैं 2 लिखना चाहती हूँ, so I simply put 1 here, remaining is 0. If I want to represent 4, so I simply put 1 here, remaining is 0. That means 8421 is one of the example of weighted code, and this 24 is written like this. Okay, so weighted code is very simple thing. Write code according to its weight factor or according to its position. Next is non-weighted code. So here I mentioned two example of non-weighted code, that is access3 code and gray code. Non-weighted name implies means not written according to its position or according to its weight factor. So here I explain access3 code. Access3 is one of the non-weighted code. This is access3 from BCD code. किससे 3 ज्यादा है? access3 तो है पर किससे 3? Always remember this is access3 from BCD code. So for example, if I have one decimal number, for example I have this decimal number 2. So how I represent in BCD? So very simple, 0 0 1 0 according to its weight factor. But I want to calculate its access3. So I already told access3 means 3 ज़्यादा हो जाएगा किससे? From BCD. So 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. This is 3 ना? 2 plus 3 is 5. So equivalent access3 is 5, or we represent like this 0 1 0 1. Means this is 5 in access3, but actually this number is 2. This number is 2 because access3 means 3 ज़्यादा हो जाएगा किससे? From BCD से. So that's why this code is known as non-weighted code, because this is not right according to its weight factor. It is right according to BCD plus 3. So here I draw the table for access3. देखिएगा 0 to 9 are the decimal number. Here I written BCD. Now access3 BCD plus 3. तो देखिए 0 plus 3 3, 1 plus 3 1 plus 3, that is 4. Then 2 plus 3, that is 5, and so on. So this is the access3, or we say non-weighted code. Now next non-weighted code is gray code, another very important code used in K-map. It is also known as one bit change code or unit distance code. It is also known as one bit change code or unit distance code. Okay, this is also non-weighted code, means it is not right according to its weight factor or its position. So here I draw the table for gray code. So this is 0 to 9 is the decimal number. This is equivalent BCD. Now this is the gray code. Okay, so gray code I told this is one bit change code na. So see here, in two consecutive number at a time only one bit is changed. See 0 to 1, only one bit change. Here in these two consecutive number at a time only one bit is changed. So that's why name is unit one bit change code or unit distance code, because between two consecutive number distance is only 1 because only one bit is changed. But next question is arise how we write this code. So here I explain very short trick for writing a gray code. Okay, for writing a gray code I explain a short trick. So very simple thing, देखिएगा ध्यान से. Here I want to write gray code. Here I want to write gray code for 3-bit. Here I want to write 3-bit gray code. 3-bit gray code. So very simple. देखिएगा ध्यान से. 3-bit means possible combination कितने बनेंगे? 2 raised to n, 2 raised to n, 2 raised to 3 equal to 8. Possible combination are 8. So simply this is the represent in binary. So divide by 2. 8 divided by 2, that means 4. So here 4 0, then 4 1 at MSB location. Then divide by again 2. So 2 0, 2 1. But after this, please draw the mirror image, because one of the name of gray code is known as self-reflecting code also. So here mirror image बना लीजिएगा यहाँ पर 1 1 0 0. Here I make mirror image. Then 2 divided by 2 1. So single 0 single 1. And here I make a mirror image. So 1 0. Then here I make a mirror image 0 1 1 0. So this is the 3-bit gray code. दोबारा देख लीजिए how we write. Simple logic. 2 raised to 3 possible combination are 8. So I write 4041. Then 2021 and after that mirror image, because this is the reflecting code also. 2120. Then divide by 2 single 0 single 1 and again mirror image 100110. So in next class, I will explain how we convert binary to gray or gray to binary code conversion. If you like this video, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो, so please like and subscribe my channel and my video.